precious.
Very important. Very important. Very important.
I need that.
Very important.
I need that case. That case is precious. I'll get it.
Who are you? Give me that case.
No, no,
That case.
no.
Let me see. Perfect. Perfect. I need something. I need a chair. Here you are. This is gonna be perfect. Stay quiet. Stay quiet. Sit down.
No. No.
Stay there. Stay quiet.
No, no. Please, please.
Haha. Stay quiet. Stay quiet. Stay quiet. Stay quiet. Now this is mine. Confidential, mine. You will never get out of here. Ha ha ha.
Where's my friend? He was supposed to be here. What's that? What
What happened here? Signs of fight. Something strange here. Something's very strange here. Where is my friend? Look. Oh no. It seems like he's dealt. Something's wrong. Here's. Oh, hang on. I'll get you out. Wait. Oh no. It's locked. Wait, I'm here. Oh no, it's locked. How can I enter here? Man, what am I gonna do? The door is too strong and it's locked. Oh no. Hang on, my friend, hang on. I'm coming for you. A hammer. Wait. Many tools. One must work. Let me try this one. Yes. This has to work. Come on. Oh no. Wait. There has to be another way in. There's no way here. No. Oh no. Oh no. I tried everything. I need to help him. I'm losing him. Oh no. Now I can save him. Wait, I'm here. Calm down. It's me. Calm down.
Thank you.
Now you are safe. I tried a lot of things to save you from here. Now, finally, I can get you out of here. Finally, you are safe now, my friend. You don't have to worry anymore. Calm down. Stand up slowly. Calm down. Yes, let's go. You are safe now. You are safe. Slowly. Take your time. Now you are safe. Slowly. Wait a second. I'll get you some water. Take this water. Drink a little bit, slowly. Yes, that's good. Now you are safe. You don't have to worry anymore. That's good. Take your time. Very good, very good. What happened?
A man with a mask. He took the case.
What case?
Important documents.
Okay, you are safe now. That's what matters. Did you see his face?
No, just the mask.
I see. I'll find him. Don't you worry. I will find him.